Okay, so I want to bring something new that some of you may not be aware of who have followed my own old course or do a bit of flipping. IO domains are relatively new. Let's just quickly find one. Let's just do bobby.io.
Hi, Bobby D here. Welcome to my channel, Easy Digital Commissions. Now, I'm going to show you how you can make money online in the fastest way possible. So do me a favor, guys, please subscribe, hit the like, and leave a comment under any video, and I will personally get back to you. Many thanks.
IO stands for Indian Ocean, weirdly. And these are, so that one's taken. These are new domains, IO domains, that for some reason are selling really, really well. Now, for those of you that know about domains or have followed old courses or my old course, it's always buy.com, buy.com, buy.com. And that is still the case if you want a worldwide audience. .io is definitely creeping in, and at the moment they are super cheap, and they are definitely something worth considering. Now, the other thing about IO domains is Google loves them. It classes an IO domain as sort of a high ranking domain, so immediately by having it you're going to help rank your website or domain or whatever you're linking it to. So straight away you're on a winner with an IO domain. So there are various niches that you can get in with IO. What is very popular from doing some research are sort of gaming or tech businesses, startup businesses seem to be liking IO because from doing a bit of research, they refer to the IO as in and out. And that can revolve around business names. And honestly, I don't know what's going on with IOs. I'm about to buy a lot of IO.domains. So an IO domain really is universal. Okay, it is a universal domain. And there's one of the videos on here is about Flipper. And if you have a look at that, in fact, I might as well have a quick look now for you guys. Hang on. I'll just quickly log into my account. Now, there's already a video like this, so I'm not going to go into this too much in depth, but you can see, where is it? Domains. We want browse domains. There you go. They're even listing them on Flipper now. So before, all you'd ever get on here would be .com, .net or .org. Now they're listing .io. So you know people want .io domains. And like I said, there's a previous video. I'm not going to go into it now, but just have a look. And there are some easy wins here for you to jump on board with the .io. Really easy wins. You can make some serious money. Just remember, don't get greedy. Price it to sell it. Price it to flip it. Them are the rules. So that's just .io, guys. Just a quick touch on that. Very worthwhile looking at. And you can see some of these prices are on here are crazy. But look at the other video. There's a Flipper video. Goes a bit more in depth about it. But that's it for this one. .io is the way forward.